Today we are discussing the current affairs, November 2019. We are discussing the Kartarpur corridor. First batch of 562 pilgrims, all praised for Kartarpur's facilitates. Prime Minister Narendra Modi flags off the first batch of 562 pilgrims to the Kartarpur Sahib Gurdwara in Pakistan. In Kartarpur, Pakistan, Prime Minister Imran Khan opened the corridor and unveiled a kirpan as the symbol for the Gurdwara complex. The pilgrims went through the newly built Kartarpur corridor linking two important Sikh shrines, Dera Baba Nanak in Gurdaspur and Gurdwara Darbar Sahib in Kartarpur in Pakistan. Background: India and Pakistan completed the 4.7-kilometer corridor ahead of the 550th birth anniversary celebration of the founder of the Sikh faith on November 12. The corridor that facilitates pilgrims from India to visit the Gurdwara Kartarpur Sahib in Pakistan. Gurdwara Darbar Sahib in Kartarpur is the final resting place of Sikhism founder Guru Nanak, where he spent the last 18 years of his life. Guru Nanak Dev's philosophy: Guru Nanak believed the supreme purpose of human life is to gain enlightenment or a state of union with God. It was at Kartarpur that he taught his followers the way to liberation by practicing it. Guru Nanak did not favor a life of renunciation. On the contrary, he felt that you can take up additional responsibilities after liberation, for then you know that your life is not meant for you alone, but for the welfare of the others. He was married and he had two sons, demonstrating that he preferred the life of the householder to that of an ascetic. He wrote, घाल खाए पिछाथन दे घाल खाए पिछाथन दे नानक राह पहचाने से. A person who works hard and shares the fruits of his labor can recognize the true path. About Guru Nanak and Kartarpur. Kartarpur marks the most significant and constructive phase in the life of Guru Nanak Dev. It was here, on the banks of the river Ravi, that he laid the foundations of a new faith Sikhism in a commune he set up. It was at Kartarpur that Nanak gave the three G's: Gurdwara, the Granth, and the Guru himself, that underpin the Sikh faith. Langar. It was at Kartarpur that Nanak started the concept of langar, a community meal prepared in a community kitchen where everyone would sit on the floor and eat together regardless of their social background. Katha. Nanak also introduced his followers to Katha, exposition of his composition or other issues. At Kartarpur, Guru Nanak practiced what he preached: Naam Japo, Kirat Karo, and Vand Chakho. Naam Japo worship, Kirat Karo work, and Vand Chakho share. As the path to liberation, he and his followers cultivated the land at Kartarpur and also reared cattle. Dharmsal or Gurdwara. Nanak believed in the importance of singing the praises of God as a way to gain liberation. He set up a dharmshal, a place where dharma or merit is earned. At Kartarpur, where he and his followers would sing his compositions in the morning and evening. For 200 years, such places continued to be called dharmsal, and it was only in the 18th century that these were called Gurdwara, a place where Guru lives. About Gurdwara Darbar Sahib at Kartarpur. Guru Nanak lived for 18 years in Kartarpur until his death in 1539. Historians say Guru Nanak's remains were put by Hindus in an urn and buried it. Gurdwara Darbar Sahib came up on this place. About Gurdwara Darbar Sahib at Kartarpur, Guru Nanak lived for 18 years in Kartarpur until his death in 1539. Historians say Guru Nanak's remains were put by Hindus in an urn and buried it. Gurdwara Darbar Sahib came up on this place. About Dera Baba Nanak. A few years later, when Kartarpur got flooded, Nanak's son Sri Chand dug up the urn and brought it to Pakhoke Randhawa, Dera Baba Nanak, where Gurdwara Dera Sahib was built on it. As per the Janam Sakhis, Guru Nanak also used to bring his cattle to graze at the well of Ranjita Randhawa, a landlord of Pakhoke Randhawa. Dera Baba Nanak in Gurdaspur is where the corridor starts on the Indo-Pak border, just 5 odd kilometers from Kartarpur. Pilgrimage to Kartarpur earlier. At the time of partition, the Radcliffe Line awarded the right bank of the river Ravi, including Kartarpur to Pakistan. India was given the Gurdaspur Tehsil on the left bank of the Ravi to India. The Kartarpur Gurdwara was opened to pilgrims after repairs and restoration in 1999, and Sikh Jathas have been visiting the shrine regularly ever since. However, pilgrims from India have to take a bus to Lahore to get to Kartarpur, which is a 125-kilometer journey, despite the fact that the shrine is so close to the Indian border that people on the Indian side of the border can physically see the Gurdwara on the Pakistani side. Kartarpur corridor, it is 4 km approx to Darshan Sthal, which is 2 km approx to Dera Baba Nanak. About Kartarpur corridor, it is a border corridor between India and Pakistan, connecting the 6 shrines of Dera Baba Nanak Sahib located in Punjab, India, the Gurdwara Darbar Sahib Kartarpur in Punjab, Pakistan. The corridor would allow devotees to visit Gurdwara Darbar Sahib in Pakistan and return in one day without a visa. Persons of Indian origin holding OCI Overseas Citizenship of India card too can visit the Gurdwara using the Kartarpur corridor. Persons of Indian origin holding OCI card too can visit the Gurdwara using the Kartarpur corridor. 5,000 pilgrims can visit the shrine every day, and the additional pilgrims will be allowed on special occasions subject to the expansion of facilities by the Pakistan side.